everybody, Joe here for JVC. With JVC's new Wi-Fi enabled Everio, it's easy to bring all the great features of a high-quality camcorder to your Apple or Android smartphone, tablet, or PC. There are a number of ways you can connect to your Everio over Wi-Fi. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up an outside monitoring connection so you can zoom in and out, record video, take a picture, monitor battery life, or transfer files to your device, all without touching your camcorder. If you're using a tablet or smartphone, the first step is to download a free app called JVC Everio Sync. Once the app is installed, you're ready to set up a connection to your Everio. An outside monitoring connection is similar to direct monitoring connection, except that it uses an existing Wi-Fi access point. This extends the distance over the direct monitoring approach to a range that's similar to other home Wi-Fi devices. And if you have internet access, you can remotely control your Everio from virtually anywhere. To create the connection, select the Wi-Fi icon on the Everio menu screen, and then select Outside Monitoring. The Everio will display a message telling you to register a Wi-Fi access point. So click OK. Now select Access Points, then Add, and then Search. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list that appears and enter the password. The Everio will connect to your Wi-Fi network, which may take up to a minute or more. Once it is connected, you'll see a message that Everio is being controlled by remote. Now launch the JVC Everio Sync app. The first time you connect, you'll be prompted to enter a username and password. The username is always Everio. The default password is 0000. Now, you can monitor and control your Everio. The app has a number of ways to control your Everio and transfer files, and the layout of the interface will vary slightly depending on how you're connected. In this example, I'm using an iPad. The Video Index and Digital Still Index tabs allow you to view recordings. Select an icon to transfer a video or digital still to your smartphone or tablet. When you transfer a clip, the Everio first resizes it to an internet-friendly resolution. This makes it transfer much faster and easier to email. The original full HD version of the video isn't touched and stays on your camcorder. You can also edit the length of your video clip before you transfer it. To connect over the internet rather than your local Wi-Fi, you'll need to register for a free JVC Dynamic DNS account, which creates a unique internet address along with a special username and password for the Everio so you can connect from anywhere. To create your account, go to this JVC Kenwood website. You'll need the serial number found on the outside of the Everio box and an email address to associate with your account. Once your account is set up, you'll receive a confirmation email and a unique web address you can use to access your Everio from anywhere. To link your new account to your Everio, go to the Wi-Fi menu and scroll down to Out Monitoring Set and select it. Make sure UPnP is set to On. Then select DDNS Setting and set it to On as well. Then enter the same username and password you used to create your JVC Dynamic DNS account online. Now that your new account has been linked to your Everio, you can return to the main Wi-Fi menu and select Outside Monitoring. After a few moments, the Everio will show that it's being controlled by remote. Select Camera Network Info and you'll see two web addresses. Sometimes it can take a few minutes for the WAN address to appear depending on your network conditions. At this point, you can hit Quit and return to the previous screen. You'll use the WAN or Wide Area Network address when you want to connect over the internet with your smartphone, tablet, or PC. So let's try it now. Launch the app and enter the WAN URL from the camcorder's menu screen. The first time you connect with the app or your PC, you'll be asked for a username and password. The username is Everio, and the default password is 0000. Allow up to a minute to establish the connection over the internet. The Everio image will appear in your browser, and you can now monitor, control the camcorder remotely, and transfer video and still image files. With an outside monitoring connection, you can connect your Everio from nearly anywhere a Wi-Fi or landline internet connection is available. If you don't have an internet connection, you can still connect to your Everio from up to 30 feet away. Check out our direct monitoring video to find out how. And remember, You can find basic instructions for what I've just talked about on the help screen in the iOS or Android app. I'm Joe for JVC, and this has been another one of the ways Everio is part of your totally connected lifestyle.